Umongezi Peter Xekwa oneminyaka engama-72 odla umhlala-phantsi nohlala eMotherwell wafudukela kwindlu ahlala kuyo ngo-1988. Ngo-2005 wafikelela kwinqanaba lokubhatala indlu yakhe ngokupheleleyo. Ngelishwa kwiminyaka engama-20 kamva akakayifumani i-title deed yendlu yakhe. UXekwa uthi uthemba ukuba akazukude alandulele eli limakade ahlabayo engekazifumani iimpepha ezimqinisekisa njengomnini-ndlu, njengokuba kwenzeka koxa bakhe.
Yeah, in the first year after paying, we didn't really feel that we need title deeds. We knew that we need title deeds. But after many years of knocking on the doors of the councillors, we found that, hey, we don't. Once they called us, and then we went to the Raymond Klaba, a hall there. There was about 1,000 of us, and all we got was 10 title deeds. Then we have to wait another 5 years or more. So that is why we started this campaign of trying to get our title deeds. And it has affected us a lot, because especially other people that died while waiting for these title deeds, which they didn't get, now that affects their children. Some houses were sold because there's no title deed and the children are scattered. So it really affected us a lot.
Umxolisi Mdluli ophuma kwiqonga lesizwe ihlanu neliliqela labahlali abangenasimpepha ebekhona ngethuba abahlali benikezela ngoxwebhu lwezikhalazo olunyanzelisa ukuba banikwe i-title deed zabo. Umdluli uthi abahlali bathi bafuna inkqubo yokunikezela nge-title deed ilungiswe, kwaye uthi umba abaza nawo ubalulekile.
The successful handover act will be for the DG to correct the verification process so we can have the program on the housing subsidy system, which is called the HSS, because currently now they're using the 2009 housing code policy, which doesn't cover us. We are covered under the 2000 housing code, which covers all those previous homeowners who already are registered at deeds. Because the 2009, if you are registered at deeds, you get declined automatically. So we already have registered bonds as the Hlanu borrowers. So we don't qualify in any of the program which is currently on the government system, HSS. So we want the DG to amend and give directive to provinces for a 2000 housing code in situ program that we want to be approved under.
Oligosa lezikhalazo kwi-ofisi kasomlomo weBhunga eNelson Mandela Bay umxolisi Mani ulwamkele uxwebhu lwezikhalazo kubahlali. Umani uthi umasipala usemva ngomsebenzi kumba we-title deeds.
Some of our people might happen to have what we call a house through a bond, and transpires that there was a private what we call owner over those houses. Then there was a program that was endorsed by our government at the provincial level, where companies like Hlanu, they were named Ikaya then before some time ago, where they will be an agreement with the government that those people's debts, whatever debts that they might have incurred in between, will be scratched off, so that they'll be able to be issued what we call with title deeds. And then there was that kind of a program. And from where I'm standing right now, I've got information that there is a dispute, but I don't have the in-depth of exactly what is the cause of the dispute. But what is more critical right now that we need to assure as the municipality, that at least the beneficiaries must not be casualties of the whole process.
Umani uthi xa umasipala isebe lephondo kunye nozwelonke benokusebenzisana, lo mba ungasombululeka ngokukhawuleza. Uthi kuza kusekwa isashoni kunye neenkokheli zabahlali namacandelo abandakanyekayo zingaphelanga iintsuku ezili-14. Le seshoni iza kube ngeyokufulathelana ngamacebo okufumana indlela phambili kule ngxaki yabahlali abangenaziqinisekiso zezindlu zabo. Kwiindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, ndinguSandile Ntshungi, eGqeberha.